Push that paddle in, fire. So push that paddle button. I would. Good job. Put it out.
Yep.
You aiming with your right eye?
I think so.
So,
Left
hand, right eye. Your left hand, right eye dominant? Is that what it is?
I think so.
You're doing fine.
That's my left eye.
Well, what you want to do is pull the left eye. Rear side, front side. Pull the right eye. Left side, left side. Try and look with your left eye. Just like that. Line it up. See right there? And lean in forward. How'd you like that? Yeah, it's pretty cool. There you go. You like it? Yeah. The Palmer magazines are fantastic performers for those metal jobs. Most of the guys will buy these themselves and take them with them. I see, because they're very reliable. You actually put 30 bullets in this, but this one you only put about 28 in for reliability. All right, man.